On today's episode of MotoCheez.
There's a problem right there. Why that thing's nicked up. Look how low that thing hangs. Look at that. That's crazy. Won't be for long. What I think I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to cut it off flush with this. I'm going to try to weld this on the end so it kind of sticks off the back here. That should work. I hope they don't use it like this on their dirt bikes. Anybody's got one of these dirt bikes, let me know. Oh, what a shitty design. Yeah, I already took off the kickstart safety. Just unplugged it. Everything else is nice and flat underneath there. I don't understand why they did this. Nice and flat. If I cut that down there straight, I could probably weld that right to that piece, and that's thick enough to keep it stood away, except that's leaned outward a little, huh? Or if I did it like that, I think that'll work. Then I might have to extend this a little bit, the kickstand, but that'll work. I'll just cut that flat and then grind that up. Yeah, that's got to come off. Then when this is in there, that's over the top of that, then it'll be leaning out. Then when that's up, it'll be good. Make sure you take the ground wire off the battery. That'll be all the way up there. That'll lean out there. Well, let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Now we take it off and weld it up. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Good as old. Let this dry. Look at that. Look at that. Flat. Flat. Nothing to drag across the bottom. Flat. Huh. It works. Leans a little bit, but it works.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.